Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin your recent items to your quick access section in your file explorer. Let me show you what I mean. So if I go ahead and open up my file explorer, let me move this to my nether screen here so you can see it. And under home, you will see, if I scroll down, you can see my recent files, right? And at times it can really look very messy. No, this recent items is what I'm going to show you how to take from here and pin it on your file explorer left panel here. So how do you do that? What you want to do inside the address bar here, you simply want to go ahead and you want to type shell colon recent. Once you type shell colon recent, click and enter, and this is going to open up and load all of your recent files. So everything that you've recently opened, it will be shown under this section here. Now all you have to do is just click the three dots towards the top here, and you will see the option that says pin to quick access. Now once you click on that, you will see that it shows your recent items here on the left hand side. So here's a quick access. So if I go to home or whatever, I can simply click recent items here, and you will see that it takes me into all of those recent items. Now I want to show you something. If I click back on home and click the three dots here, go to options, you know that you can easily go ahead and uncheck so that you can remove the show recent use file. So if you go ahead and uncheck this, click on apply, click on OK, and go back to home, you realize it no longer shows those recent items here at the bottom, but instead I have the recent items on the left hand side. I can always come here, click on this, and access those recent items. And of course, you can always go ahead and change the view so that you can see the files in whatever order you want. So you can put it into large view, extra large view, right? But that's how you go ahead and do it, guys. It's very easy. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.